I made this pure pecan oil following the historical methods of the Choctaw Creek in the Haudenosaunee. Those tribes are known to use the hickory nuts or walnuts to make this oil. And it can be used for cooking or for anointing the hair or the skin to deter mosquitoes. And those tribes are known to use this method because it's really useful for stuff like walnuts, where they're a pain to get to the nut meat. You have to crack it open and get it all, work it out. And even the pecans, which is probably the easiest nut meat to get to, for the smaller ones, it feels hardly worth your time. So the easiest method was just to crush them whole, boil it, and extract the oil. So I'll show you how I did that here. So the pecan oil goes to the top, and I put it in the fridge as cold as it would go. Actually, most of it is frozen, except for the oil on top. It's kind of an unusual way of separating the oil, but worked. Oops. So there's some of the water getting into it. I really don't know how to separate oil. This is just my first try of it. And it tastes great. Hardly any taste at all, really. Just a nice fatty oil. Can be used for all sorts of purposes.